Most people get this wrong. They hear, "Get paid to walk," and assume it is fake or too good to be true. Then they either ignore it completely or download random apps that never pay out. The truth is, there are real apps in 2026 that reward you for walking, but only if you understand how they actually work. In this video, you'll learn the top 5 apps that pay you to walk in 2026, how they track your steps, and the simple way to maximize your rewards without wasting battery or time. Let's start with Sweatcoin. This is one of the most popular step-earning apps. It tracks your outdoor steps using your phone's motion sensors and converts them into coins. Those coins can be redeemed for rewards, discounts, or sometimes cash offers, depending on your region. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect instant money. Sweatcoin is more about long-term rewards and consistent walking. Someone like Alex in Mumbai might walk daily during commutes and slowly build up coins without even noticing. Now here's where it gets interesting. StepEd takes a different approach. Instead of just rewarding you for walking, it lets you join challenges where you bet on yourself to hit step goals. If you succeed, you split the prize pool with other winners. It is powerful because it adds financial motivation, but the risk is simple. If you fail your goal, you lose your entry fee. Next up is Evidation. This app rewards you for walking and other health activities like tracking sleep or connecting fitness devices. It focuses more on wellness than gaming. The key advantage is that it runs quietly in the background, so you do not need to constantly open the app. Now let's talk about Winwalk. This one is Android-friendly and converts your daily steps into points that can be redeemed for gift cards. It is simple, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. But here's the catch. The earning rate is slow, so consistency matters more than intensity. In a minute, here's what most people miss. These apps are not designed to replace income. They are designed to motivate you to move more. The real value is not the money, but the habit of walking daily without forcing yourself. Finally, Runtopia is another strong option that mixes fitness tracking with rewards. It gives you points for walking, running, and completing fitness goals, which can later be redeemed through supported rewards. So here are the key takeaways. Sweatcoin is best for casual walking rewards. StepEd is best for competitive motivation. Evidation is best for health tracking. Winwalk is best for simple beginner rewards. And Runtopia is best for fitness-focused users. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you want to try first, and subscribe for more real earning and fitness apps that actually work in 2026.